Umiiyak ka na naman. Langya talaga, wala ka bang ibang alam? Namumugtong mga mata. Kailan pa ba kaya ikaw magsasawa sa problema na iyong pinapatan? Hatid sa'yo ng boyfriend mo, hindi mo maintindihan. May kwento kang pang-drama na naman. Parang pang-TV na walang katapusan. Hanggang kailan ka ba ganyan? Hindi mo ba alam na walang pupunta?
You are my sweetest downfall. I loved you first. I loved you first. Beneath the sheets of paper lies my soul. I have to go. I have to go. Your hair was long when we first met. Samson went back to bed. On the trail left on his head. He ate a slice of Wonder Bread and went right back to bed. And the history books forgot about us, and the Bible didn't mention us, and the Bible didn't mention us, not even one.